Welcome back to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about a shoe that we first seen LeBron wearing against the Knicks in the Garden. He was with the Cleveland Cavaliers, and he was having a crazy season that year, man. And like they say, it had to be the shoes, man, because this shoe is a classic in the LeBron signature collection, man. I don't know a person alive that don't like the LeBron 7, period. It's one of the best shoes one of my favorite shoes of all time, man. I love the LeBron 7. It's one of my favorites. I got about 6-7 pairs of them still, man. But this one right here is supposed to be coming back out October 29th, 2019, man. LeBron keeping his foot on the gas with the retros. You know, the last couple years he's been coming out with retro LeBrons out of the signature collection, man. We're talking about the red carpet LeBron 7s. Like I mentioned earlier, we seen LeBron wearing them in the Garden. Crazy, man. That's the first time I laid eyes on him, man. And I was in love from when I laid eyes on him when he was wearing them on the court. With that being said, I had to go to Foot Locker and get me a pair, man. I remember I was with my homegirl, Tay. We went downtown, and we both got a pair, man. I know she remember that day. Shout out to Tay. But before we get into the show, I'm going to need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified we dropping new content to the channel. And also, don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. I know y'all tired of me talking. I know y'all excited to see this OG shoe. So let's get into it. Here you guys go, the LeBron 7 red carpet, classic shoe, man, classic. Put down this right foot real quick. Let's get into this shoe. As you can see, you have white right here on the toe area. You have suede right here with this kind of hard material right here. I don't know exactly what material this is right here. You got the Nike swoosh and aqua. You got the aqua sole right here with the aqua airbag. Slide over to the back, you got the LeBron James logo right here. Slide over to the back panel, you have suede on the back panel, and the inside you have a little bit of patent leather in here. You have the L on this shoe, and on the right shoe you have the J for LeBron James. Slide over here, you see the LeBron logo right here also in aqua, red. Come over here, you have the aqua swoosh. Slide over to the front again. On the left foot, you have LeBron on the shoestrings in red and also in black. When you swap out the laces, the black ones say the same thing. You got the mesh tongue coming up with the LeBron logo here in red, and then you got the patent leather going around the tongue. And the inside of the shoe, you got the aqua on the inside of the shoe also. You also got the aqua right here where the shoestrings go at, man. This shoe is just a classic. On the left foot it says 3, and on the right foot it says 2 for 2-3 for LeBron James. That's the number he was wearing when he was playing with the Cleveland Cavaliers that year, not when he went back the first time around. And yeah, man, this shoe was just classic, man. I remember this. I remember getting my hands on the shoe and just being super excited, man. I'm really ever excited when I get my hands on shoes, because I pretty much get every shoe that I want. Sometimes I strike out, take L treat. But this is back in the day. You had to be like a not an OG sneakerhead, but you had to be like in the know back then to be able to get your hands on these, man. Like these, the South Beaches that I also did on this channel. Like you had to be in the know, man. You had to be on your LeBron wave to be able to know what these shoes were gonna be, you know, years later. And now here we are, 2019. October 29th, the LeBron red carpet is dropping again, man. And like I'm definitely getting my hands on a pair of those too, and I will be bringing that shoe to the channel. But these are just fire, man. One of my favorite shoes of all time, man. Like look at the sole, man. Like this joint was just fire. The LeBron 7 was crazy, man. If you disagree, leave it in the comments below, man. But this shoe is crazy. Like, soon as I heard that there's retro in them, man, my man Brian hit me up. He was like, yo, they coming back out. I was like, word? I bet. I was like, I gotta do a video on the OGs to let people see these, man. Like, these joints was crazy back in the days. One of my favorite shoes still to this day. And the shoe came out years ago, man. One of my favorite shoes, man. Just fire, man. If you disagree, Leave it in the comments below, man. Let me know what you think about this shoe. But y'all know what time. It's time for me to rate this joint. Even though it's an OG, I still gotta rate it, man. I ain't have this channel back in the days, but I got it now, so you know I gotta rate these, man. And out of 5 pennies, man, I'm definitely gonna have to give these joints 5 pennies for these right here, man. It's one of my favorite shoes, one of the dopest, most comfortable basketball shoes of all time. These you could do with anything. Like, we was wearing these with jeans, sweats, shorts, whatever. Still looking fire, man. My man Mike hit me up the other day and said he copping every color in these when they come back out. So that's how you know it's real. Like, the LeBron 7 was crazy, man, but the red carpet to me was the best colorway, man. There's a bunch of dope other colorways that came out. They had a white, black, and gold colorway that came out that was fire. I had those, but I was playing bowling. Those killed them joints. Them joints is cooked. I just threw those out the other day. They had the Akron joints. This when they was coming out with the college LeBrons and House of Hoops and all that. I did the Akron joints too. That's on the channel also. Check it out. What else they had, man? They had the Christ the Kings. This shoe came out of so many different colorways. I can't even think of all of them off the top of my head. They got the Dunkmans. I got the Dunkmans. I don't know if y'all can see them right here behind me. The Dunkmans might be some right behind me somewhere back here. And then I got the reflective joints too. The gray reflective joints. I wore those a couple weeks back. I don't know if y'all can see them, but they back here too. But yeah, man, fire shoe, man. Let me know if y'all copping the retro LeBron 7 red carpet, man. Leave in the comments below. We can definitely talk about it, man. With that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.